Okay, this is a camera system we set up for this landscaping company. This is what the camera looks like, and it's got one facing the drivers and one facing the street. Basically, this guy wants to be able to, from his house or anywhere in the world, from his iPad or his iPhone or the home computer, he wants to be able to watch the live video of him driving right on live, like if he was sitting in this driver's seat right here, passenger seat right here. He'll be able to listen in, shows him the GPS, you know, everything. This is great because he had one of the workers fell off a tree while they were cutting the tree down and messed up his back, and the insurance company wanted to see what happened, and he also wants to keep it for his records, and also to know the, you know, say you're a roofer and you have a roofing company or whatever company you own, and you want to be able to sit from your home and watch the progress on the roof of the house or whatever the guys are doing. This is a great tool because you can be sitting at lunch, you as the owner, and you can watch the videos. You can play back the video because it records 24/7 to the server, to the cloud, or you can retrieve them. You can log in live. I'm going to show you that on the iPad. I'm going to have the driver drive away out of here, and we'll be able to monitor his driving and watch him live what he's doing. We'll go over that in a few seconds. By the way, it does require AT&T hotspot. It's going to run you about $20 a month through AT&T. Because we have to make this the vehicle, whatever you installing it into, it has to have a hotspot, like a Wi-Fi hotspot. So in that way the cameras will work. Otherwise, you don't have to have that Wi-Fi. But then in that case, the only way you will be able to watch the videos if the customer pulls up to your facility or they pull up to you next to the vehicle. Then you can do a Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi from your router in your house or from your phone. But if you want to do it remotely while he's out anywhere in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or anywhere in the United States while he's driving, you'll be able to watch him through your phone. Okay, we're inside the house. The driver took off. I'm going to show you how it works. We're going to go black view. So far the other truck is not here, so I'm not able to do that install. But he's going to have two of them. We're going to click on the one that's actually working. We're going to go into live video. Gives you the map also where the guy is heading.
On.
There he is driving right now. To go to a black back view, you can hit here. It's going to switch over to the other camera. Yeah, he is driving right now. That's funny. So, anywhere in the world, we're going to get ready to download the app on his iPhone so he can, if he wants to leave the iPad at home and just go out to lunch and have meetings with his colleagues and he wants to know where the drivers are at and take a live view, he'll be able to do that. We're going to go to the front view now. So there you go. It gives you the map. See what this little guy. Oh, I see. It gives you the satellite view where he's driving. Gives you. I guess you can do both at the same time. Oh, actually, it just spins the device around. And then if you want to go to back to him. Back to Kitty drawing. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then if you want to see the videos, you can go back and this will give you all the events so far. So you can actually. It's recording to the cloud. You'll have the videos here. And then you can always, you want to share them. You can go like that. You can copy it to the memory of the iPad so you can keep them forever. Or you can copy them to the cloud. Or you can share them at you can send them over to Facebook or text somebody with the videos or whatever you want to do. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go back to the video.
View on.
Okay, there you have it. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, this is the phone. We'll show you from the tablet. This is the phone now. Look at this thing. Live view while he's moving. Where are you going to get that? Where are you actually going to get live view actually? Because mostly all GPSs, they work, they pin the cookie trail every 2 minutes. But where are you going to get live view that you can actually see this thing moving step by step and the speed that the guy is actually going? Unbelievable. Really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and that's him driving. Okay. We appreciate you watching this video.